Rachmaninoff.
YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Don914 back with another sneaker review. You know, it's been a little while, been about a week or two since I dropped a video. You know, been busy, but I got some reviews popping in the next probably 3 days, and you know, we're gonna get into it. So right now, I forgot my knife upstairs, so I'm unboxing this pair of kicks with some scissors. But if you looked at the title of the video, you already know what I'm reviewing. This is Jordan 10 Shadows 2025 pair. And I actually hit for this pair off the Sneakers app. So if you follow me at Don914 on Instagram, you would have seen that I hit for this pair on the Sneakers app. And kind of eager to see what these look like. So my 2018 pair, you know, I wore them like a few times, and I think I gave those away to my nephew. I don't even think I kept those, so I can't do a comparison. But you know, at least we can go ahead and see what the new 2025 silhouette looks like. Let me go ahead, take the box out. Box is real nice. I will say that. I'm glad they went with the old school box. So get this off the table, and yeah, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the review. I don't want to waste no time because I am eager to see what these look like, to see if they're better than the 2018 pair. So this is the box that we get with this pair, and on the box you can see it has Jordan 1 all the way through 8, 9, and then this is the 10th, and it's got all these kind of pictures of Jordan, young Jordan, old Jordan, GOAT Jordan. That's pretty dope. Yeah, I do like when they give us special boxes, man. I mean, they need to start just giving us special boxes with every release, man. These are starting to get, like, you know, coveted pairs. So that's the inside. It does come with some brownish like paper, and then flip it, you get another sheet of paper, and then the shoes right there. So let's go ahead and take these out. Put these to the side. Let's see here. So with that, and with that, let's see what we have inside. And yeah, so inside you should have that like little compass thing right there. Let me see if I can show it right there up in the corner. It looks like a little compass thing to me. I don't know what it is, but then you should get your green sticker as well inside of your box. So that's how your box should come. Look just like this if you're getting it off the secondary market. And let me show you the sizing tag before I forget. Here's the sizing tag right here. And the sizing tag reads Air Jordan 10 Retro, Chared, Gray, True Red, Black, and that's how you spell it, C-H-A-R-R-E-D. So Chared, is that what that is? Chared Gray? I don't know, man. They just be making up colors, man. Is that supposed to be like shadow? I don't know, man. They just be making up colors. So I got a 10.5. I normally wear 10.5 in my Jordan 10s from previous models. And I just went with that pair. I don't know if the new shape and everything has changed that, but yeah, here's a shoe. Not bad at all, not bad at all. So I haven't had a pair of these since 2018. I had the originals back in 1994. Actually, 10th grade year, this was my back to school shoe, my 10th grade year in high school. So I actually balled in these as well. When the season started, I practiced in these, and then, you know, we transitioned to a different model. But yeah, so these do hold a special place in my heart, actually. You know, these do bring back memories and nostalgia for real. So without further ado, let's get into the 2025 Air Jordan 10 Retro Shadows.
Rachmaninoff.
All right, this review won't take too long, so we're gonna start with the outsole. So on the outsole of the shoe, you got all kind of Jordan accolades on the outsole. You know, if you had a pair of Jordan 10s, you know that you know, the top has 94 and beyond, 93 MVP championship, 92 MVP championship, 91 MVP championship, 90 scoring, 69 points, 89 all defensive, 88 dunk champ, 87 scoring champ, 86 63 points, 85 rookie of the year. And then they have the red jump man at the bottom. Nice little touch. Move to the midsole. You got blacked out midsole. You got on the upper this black leather hit right here, which is a staple, I would say, in the Jordan 10. This is a nice leather too. It's nice and smooth. Not real plush, but it's soft enough. Moving up to the upper, you got that gray. That kind of, I don't know if that's where the shadow came from, but that's I'm gonna call it shadow gray. I don't know what kind of gray they put on the box, but I'm gonna call it shadow gray with that nice smooth nubuck going across the top. Now, it does have some change of direction motion on it. Yeah, definitely. It's not real noticeable, but it does. But I will say, as far as quality controls, so look at my pair right here. I have a big glue stain right there on the front of my pair. Let me see if it, hopefully it's bringing that in. But right here in this spot, right here, you can see a huge glue stain. So that's quality control for you, man. It's a nasty one too. Yeah, it's almost like, it almost looks like a scuff. Man, okay, let me check this pair. Now this pair is clean, but yeah, this almost looks like a scuff, man. Hey, it is what it is, but medial and lateral side the same. Let's move to the upper, the laces. You got that leather hits right here where the lace holders are. That's going all the way through the back of the heel, all the way through the lace holders. Jumpman in the back, red Jumpman. You get your black rope laces with the black speed rope system. And on the top, it has Air Jordan 23, almost debossed into the material, it looks like. And my thing with that, I would have liked if they put that in red. I hate when, if you guys have been watching my channel for some time now, you know, I hate when they just make I guess if they have a 23 or something written on the tongue, I hate when they put it the same color as the tongue and blend in. Make that pop, make that stand out, man. Make that in red or something like that. You know what I mean? Make that stand out, because that is fire how they indented that. So Air Jordan 23. On the back of the tongue, they used to have some type of like tribal back on the 2018 pair, but on this pair it just has the sizing tag. Let me see here. You still have the checkerboard around the heel of the shoe. The insole right here, still checkerboard, shoe paper, and inside you should get Nike Air in black on the inside with the sizing tag with a red insole. So that was the review, real quick review, not too much to the shoe. It's a very basic shoe but clean shoe in my humble opinion. And you know, comment down in the comment section down below. How do you feel about this pair? Did you go for a pair? They were very limited. They're not too bad right now on the secondary market if you wanted a pair, but yeah, these are the Shadow 10s 2025. What I will say is I do love that they updated the shape. I do love the updated shape on this. It does look real good. And you know, the Jumpman's facing the opposite directions, or actually facing each other. The Jumpman, sorry about that. The Jumpmans are actually facing each other. I do like that as well. So that is fire. I can't remember if my 1994 pair was like this, but I would imagine so. Since they try to make these closer to the OGs, I'll have to go back and look. But yeah, these are fire, man. These are not bad at all. It's a nice shoe for the winter time. Put on a little sweatsuit, you know what I'm saying? Kick around, run some errands, things of that nature, man. This is one of those type of shoes. So that being said, I don't want to keep you too long. We're gonna go ahead and hop into the on feet, and you know, stay tuned. I will have the Black Cats on Friday. We'll see how the malls look on Black Friday. I'm gonna go pick my pair up on Friday, and we're gonna go from there. And you know, stay tuned for that review. Like always, I appreciate you, my old subscribers, new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. I appreciate all the support. Like, comment, subscribe, share the channel, and we're gonna hop into this on foot. And until the next video, I'm out.
Rachmaninoff. I know. The way I'm dipping steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life in 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shot the DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Done one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done. I'm done one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done.